Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're inside the Mazda. It's raining a little bit outside, so we're gonna be working inside in the car. So today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be fixing this space in between the shift knob and the shift boot. So in order for us to do that, I have a 6-speed I don't know what it's called, retainer or something, shift knob retainer, boot retainer, whatever it's called, but it's gonna fix that problem. So for us to do that, we have to remove the center console, this part here, and the shift knob console right here. So let's do that. So what you're gonna do is just gently pull on the side of this part and it should just pop right out. There you go, this one is out. Put it, oh, we found some treasure. Okay, so the previous owner left us a pen. So we found a pen. There's a tag in here, I don't know. Foundation, it's in French. Keep your ticket to pay your fees inside. Yeah, I don't want to keep this ticket, so we're gonna put that here for now. And there is a leaf in here. I don't know what the Toronto Maple Leafs are doing here, but is that, oh, and there's a light, and there's another pen. There's a lighter and there's another pen. So I don't know how to take that out. So let's see. Maybe we use this pen. Okay. Man, this is some crazy shit. The things you find inside your car. That's why you should always open it up. And there we go. And a lighter. Lime green. Nice. Okay, now there's a pen all the way back there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's that blue one. I don't know how we're gonna take that out. Might have to use the pliers that I brought. No, it's not gonna reach. So I guess we're just gonna leave that pen there in case we have to sign some stuff in the future. And now back to this part. So now we're gonna take out the shift knob console. Same thing, gently pull on it and it should come right out. And there you go. So first we're gonna take out the shift knob. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now that the shift knob is off, this is why I brought the pliers, because this thing wouldn't come out. So hopefully, there we go. Okay. And there you go. I know I say there you go a lot, so just bear with me. I like saying it, it's my favorite word. Not really, but I just say it just because I want to. So now we have two. I'm just gonna open this bad boy and take out my keys, because I got the keys right there, major key. Okay. So now we have to take these plugs out. Don't know how to do that, so I'm just gonna put the camera down. Okay. One. So you have to press up on this little clip here to take them out. So there we go. And now I have to remember the white one is for the left and the gray one is for the right. Okay, so we're just gonna leave this here. And here here we go, guys. So the boot is out. So now we just have to fix it up. Show you guys how it looks over here. Yeah, I don't know how to take that leaf out, so I'm just gonna leave it there. And I have no idea what this stuff is, so we're not gonna touch that. Okay, so now to fix this, we're just gonna put it inside out. Dun, dun, dun. I think they glued it down, so we might have to fix it somehow. Eventually, I'm just gonna chain this to, I don't know what color, but we'll see after. So just pull on it from the back and it should come right out. Yeah, it was glued on. So that's the original one, and this is the one we're gonna be using. So quite a bit of difference. So that's gonna cover the unnecessary space that's there. So we're gonna put this one here and now figure out a way. So this has got to, this has got to go like this. Nope. To tie it inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna zip tie it over here. We have our zip tie right here. So you want to put the zip tie as tight as possible because you don't want it to come out later on. So we're just struggling with that right now. Not really struggling, but you know. Okay. Hopefully we can use our pliers to put this out. There we go. That's how we do it. And now for the reveal. Dun 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 dun. It shouldn't come out. If it does, I won't tell you guys. I'm joking, I will. Okay, I think it's tight enough, so let's just put it. Looks pretty good. Kinda. Gonna pull these a little bit more up so it sits flush at the top. And yeah, that's it. Okay, perfect. So now we're just gonna put the plugs back in for the whatever, the cigarette lighter and the 2 heating seats. So the white was for this guy, and the gray was for this guy, and this was for this guy. Everything is in place. Now we're gonna put this in place. And that's what I was scared of. So what's happening right now is this thing is moving with that, so we have to take it up again and figure out a way to do it some other way. So I think we're just gonna have to move the whole thing around. There's an easier way, but I kind of feel lazy right now to do that. So just gonna do it this way. This is an easy way for people that are lazy like me. Well, not really lazy, they just want to save time, you know. So just twist it around, twist it around, twist it around. And eventually it should go in place and you should be good to put it back. Remember those merry-go-rounds? This is the one. I think, okay. It's a little bit too tight now. Guys, so now we're just putting it back in place.
This is a CHUKI production.
So there you go. Looks pretty good. So we just have to put the shift knob on now, and that's it. Yeah, pretty good. So let's just put the center console in now. And now we gotta put on the shift knob. So the retainer or the thingy is already in there. And there you go. The unnecessary space is fixed. Now it looks good as new. Shout out to SICKSPEED for providing us with this retainer, shift knob retainer thingy. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, that's it. And there's a treasure we found, so I'm gonna throw that out because I don't use none of that. Don't need the ticket, don't need the lighter, just need the shift knob and the retainer. So there we go, good as new. Now looks really flush, and thumbs up.